Good morning. It's Monday. We're back out at my parents'. It's going to be another week-long vlog. I'll be vlogging a little bit each day this week, Monday through Friday, of our progress. And I hope to dogs that we get this done this week. My dad and Pete are currently on their way to Home Depot to go get more boards. I think we need about 15 more boards, so that means a couple more trips. Meanwhile, I'm going to start sweeping the deck to get it prepped so when Pete gets back we can get some of the boards installed, then he'll go back and get more and yada yada yada. That's going to be our day today. It's supposed to get up to 90, so I don't know how much we're going to get done before it gets too hot. So I'm going to quit babbling and get to it. First load of deck lumber is here. They're on their way back to Home Depot to get another load. Meanwhile, I think I'm going to walk through my dad's rose garden with the camera.
Few moments later. And boy, perfect timing because it got really hot. We still have more we need to work on. We had to call it a day just because of the heat. So we're going to go back tomorrow, finish up the rest of the boards, and hopefully get to painting finally. Back home now, I forgot we had ordered a Ring video doorbell over the weekend and installed it on Sunday. And I'm going to insert this adorable clip of my neighbor's cat that set it off. I thought it was funny, so I'm going to share that here right now, and we're going to end today by having some sushi that we had delivered. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
we're back at my parents' working on the deck, hopefully getting a lot more done today. Getting an earlier start so it's not as hot. We have 3 boards left over from yesterday. Yesterday, Pete and my dad got a total of 15 boards, I think it was. And we have 3 left. We would have got them done yesterday, but it just got way, way too hot. So we're going to finish putting those on the deck and then give it a good sweep, clean up, and hopefully paint by this afternoon. Or before this afternoon, before it gets hot. This has become the never-ending project. So we found a few more boards that we would like to replace just to make sure everything's safe. So my dad and Pete are on their way to Home Depot to get another load. Unfortunately, we have just a small car, so we can only get 5 boards at a time. So it's been a lot of trips to Home Depot. If I had my way with this deck, if this was mine, I would have got rid of the whole entire thing and started brand new with weather treated boards, and I would just stain it. But my dad wants the rotten ones replaced, and then he wants to have it painted green to match the trim of the house. Lovely. I mean, I'm sure it'll look nice when it's done, but boy, it's been a pain in the butt just doing this, because every time we think we're done, we find just a couple more boards that should be replaced just for safety reasons. My parents are, senior citizens. I don't want them to trip and fall and go through and hurt themselves. So we want to do it right. So another trip to Home Depot. Hopefully this will be the last one, and I hope that we can have a paint roller in hand today. Fingers crossed. Done with deck boards. Yay! That means we can start painting. We're going to do 1 coat, take a break for lunch, and hopefully with it being as warm as it is, it'll dry pretty fast and we can do a 2nd coat today. Fingers crossed. Wednesday, we're back out in Oregon City at my parents'. Today, I don't think we're going to get as much done because it's supposed to rain later this afternoon. So right now we're focusing on touch-ups, getting little corners that the roller couldn't get. We're going to use a paintbrush to do that. Then we're going to roll a coat of the green and probably be done just for today. We still have all of that to deal with, but that's another day's project. Ugh. So let's tackle this. Good morning, it's Thursday. Today we are going to take the day off from going out to my parents'. We have been going out there for 2 weeks straight now, and Pete goes back to work on Monday, so we want to take a day just to do something fun for ourselves. We are going to go to the beach for the day. What I'm going to do is I'm going to vlog our whole time at the beach, but that's going to be Friday's video. I'll do a full video of the day at the beach going up this Friday. So today's clip is just going to be me saying hi, so hi, and I might throw in a small clip from the beach later, we'll see, and then we're going to end the video tomorrow, which is Friday for me, so that this can go up on Monday for you guys to see. So let's get some coffee and let's hit the road. We're going to take Shorty. She's never been to the beach, so I'm really excited to see her reaction. I'll put that here in the vlog for you guys to see her reaction. Enjoy! Oh, that's good. Good morning. We just went to Starbucks. We're out in Oregon City. This will be the last day for this vlog of us being out here at Oregon City. Today's plan to move all of the junk, furniture, pots, different statues and whatnot, and put it on the deck that we've been working on the last 2 weeks. And then we're gonna clean up and figure out how many boards are under there that need to be replaced. Home Depot run to get those boards, install them, pressure wash, sweep, all that. Maybe not all in that order, but that's the plan. We're not going to paint today. We'll come back on a different day. It's supposed to be really hot this coming weekend, so we're definitely not going to do it this weekend. It's supposed to get over 100 tomorrow. Yikes. So I'll be staying home in the air conditioning room. Pete goes back to work on Monday, so we'll have to maybe come back next weekend to finish this project. I'm going to quit yapping, drink my coffee, and get started on this. What a mess. If I had my way, I would just get a dumpster and toss all of this, but my parents are a bit of a pack rat hoarding situation here. They don't want to get rid of anything, even though all these pots are dead plants. Ugh. Grr. Done for the day, and that means this is the end of the weekly long vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I had a great time picking up the camera a little bit each day, documenting our progress on my parents' deck. We still have a little bit more to do, but that'll have to be some other weekend when it's not almost 100 degrees out. So enjoy your week. Happy Monday. Yeah, it is Monday when this goes up, so that's so confusing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.